Falter record yet, my name is Mr. O'Sullivan. So today I'm going to show you how to use Fadas on media devices, because I know a lot of you are having problems putting the Fada on the vowels A, E, O, I and U, okay? And a Fada is just as essential as a letter itself, so don't leave out the Fadas. So first of all, your smartphone. Let's say you want to put a Fada on the letter E. On your smartphone, all you have to do is press down on the letter E, and right above it then will become a little tab, and it'll give you an option to put an E Fada instead of a regular E. That's easy enough. If though is your computer keyboard, this is slightly more complicated. So this is a regular computer keyboard. So what you're going to do here is, let's say you want a Fada on the letter E. So what you're going to do before you press the letter E is you're going to press Alt-GR and Shift together. And then you're going to press E. So you're going to press all of these together. Well, really, you're going to press Shift, Alt-GR together, and then whatever vowel you want. But the most important thing there, the first step is to press Alt-GR and Shift together, and then whichever vowel you want. All right. So now